Welcome back to Add Art. In today's tutorial, you'll learn to draw an all about meerkats. Now, before we do, just a quick reminder to subscribe to Add Art and hit the bell. When you do, you'll always be the first to know when I've released a new drawing like this one. But let's travel to the tip of southern Africa and make a start on these sociable mammals. First, we'll begin by drawing the meerkat's large eyes. One there, and one next to it. We'll have the pupils looking out at us, and they have these pointy faces with little nose that they use to sniff out food. Let's put a smile in, sides of its nose, and they have these dark patches around their eyes, so let's put those in. Let's give it a little head coming up and down over its eyes. Down towards its neck. That's slightly stretched and strained, looking out over the distance. Chin. And a pair of little ears on the side. Let's put its first leg in. These almost look like arms when they're stood up, and they just hang down in front of them, making it look quite furry with that line I'm drawing. Put some sharp claws in. They have these and they use them for digging burrows, tunnels and rooms that they live in. And let's bring this second arm in, almost mirroring the first. Bring that all the way to the top. Put some more claws in. I'll bring its first back leg in. Now their back legs bend in a slightly different way to ours. They go backwards and then out towards us. Bring that up towards its body. Put the foot and some toes in, almost as though it stood on tiptoes. We'll have this second leg coming down, back, and then out in the other direction. Bring that all the way to the top. Let's put the other foot in. Now, before we forget, let's put a tail in. This will be resting on the rocky outcrop that this one stood on. Put some fur detail in. Now, meerkats are super sociable and they work together in groups of 3 to 50 members, and this collective of meerkats is sometimes called a mob. Now we're going to have our two meerkats stood upright on their back legs, and these are called the sentry. We'll have the second meerkat's eye looking up. We'll have its head side on, so its nose is going to come out, down, then curl back round in a smile towards its eye. Put its little nose in, and continue its head around the back here, down towards its neck. Front of its neck in there, and a little ear. And again, we're going to have it stood up, so its arms are going to be in a similar position, coming down towards its belly. The claws. Bring the body down there. Second leg. That looks like an arm in the background there. Front of its body. And the leg bending that way, and then coming forward. Curve that back on itself. all the way up towards its body there. Then we'll have its foot poking out from beneath the fur. And we'll have its other leg just behind. Put its tail in. Now during the day they leave their underground burrows into the scorching African sunshine, and they take turns looking out for predators such as eagles and wild dogs, and that's what these two are doing. And they stand high on a hill or a termite mound, and if they spot trouble, they warn the mob with a high-pitched squeal. Then all the meerkats dash for cover. Okay, so there's our two meerkats. Let's have them stood on a termite mound here. Now some of the meerkats go off to find food like spiders, scorpions, beetles and juicy caterpillars, and they also eat fruit, eggs and small reptiles. Just put some rocky detail on this so it's dried out in the baking sun. Let's put in some of the arid grasslands in the distance here that you find in deserts in southern Africa where meerkats can be found. Put some of those grasses in the foreground here. They're getting slightly smaller as they disappear into the distance. Now those that are not on sentry duty or hunting for food take their turn babysitting the meerkat pups back down in the burrow, and they often have to protect the pups from rival meerkat mobs who, given a half a chance, would eat them. Let's put some mountains in the background here. And if a group of meerkats are attacked out in the open like this, they either hide in bolt holes that they've dug near their foraging areas, or they stand together with arched backs, hiss, and try to make themselves look like a big angry animal. Okay, we've finished our mountains there, some of the smaller ones disappearing. Let's have a hawk here in the sky. I'm sure our meerkat sentry will spot that. But there we have it, a mob of meerkats looking out for each other. Hope you've enjoyed drawing along with that one today. Now, before I go, do be sure to check out all my other ad art tutorials like these. You can do this by clicking on my double pencil profile picture. And if you've enjoyed this video, please do give it a thumbs up like, as it really helps my channel grow. Finally, if you know someone who loves to draw, why not share ad art with them and draw together? But that's it for today, and I hope to draw along with you again soon. Bye for now.